Why do humans like cats purring? It turns out that the soothing sound of a cat's purr does more than just comfort us. It actually triggers surprising effects in our brain and body that you need to know about. Cats produce purring vibrations at frequencies from 25 to 150 hertz. This range is fascinating because it coincides with frequencies that medical research has found to encourage tissue regeneration and reduce inflammation. When you hear a cat purring, your body can actually respond to these vibrations by calming your nervous system and even improving healing. This explains why humans often feel relaxed and comforted when near a purring cat. Humans naturally associate a cat's purring with feelings of safety and well-being. Since cats usually purr when they are relaxed or feeling secure, hearing a purr can evoke empathy and activate our caregiving instincts. This emotional connection triggers the release of feel-good hormones like oxytocin in your brain, the same hormone involved when you bond with loved ones. That's why a purring cat can make you feel happier and less stressed. Research reveals that the sound of purring can lower cortisol, the body's main stress hormone. This makes you feel calmer and more relaxed. Additionally, the vibrations from purring may act like a natural therapy, reducing pain and helping muscles recover faster. This could be why many cat owners report feeling less anxious and even physically better after spending time with their purring pets. So the next time you hear a cat purring, remember it's not just a cute sound. It's a natural therapy that soothes your brain, lowers stress, and even helps your body heal. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and keep your curiosity purring.